Hey guys, what are you fighting about? Oh, you're trying to see who is the strongest? Why don't you have a strongman competition? I'm sure Maverick can knock something up for you. All right, I'll go get him. Hey, Maverick! What are you doing? That's very impressive, Maverick. Max and Mike are having a fight over who's the strongest. Can you help them decide by making a competition before they get hurt?
Mama.
Haha.
Hey, Mia. Nice landing.
Oh,
Mama.
Ready to help set up the competition?
Haha.
All right. Have an idea for the competition, Maverick? Oh, hey guys. Are you here to help set up the competition? Wake up, guys. It's time for the competition. Okay, guys, you have to lift all these balls onto the pedestals. Each one is heavier than the last. The person who lifts the heaviest ball up wins. Got it? Okay, go. Time's up, guys. Looks like Mike lifted the heaviest ball. Okay, guys, this time you have to throw the barrels over the banner. Each one is heavier than the last. You'd better get out of there, Maverick. Max, you threw the heaviest barrel over, so you win this round. This one's a race, guys. First one over the line with the weights wins the competition and is declared Monster Town's strongest monster. Ready to go? Three, 2, 1, go! Harder than it looks, eh? What's the matter, Mike? Quicksand! Oh no! Somebody help! Maverick has decided that Mia is the strongest monster. She carried Mike over the finish line as well as Mike's weights. Guys, you might have to settle it yourselves after all.
Hey, Miranda. Nice day for a cruise, eh? What is it? You've forgotten something. You can't tell me? Now I'm really curious. Hey, Maverick! Miranda needs your help. She wants to set up a scavenger hunt for Father's Day. Think you can round up some monsters for it? We'll meet you back here, Miranda. Hey, why are you doing a scavenger hunt on Father's Day? A secret? I wonder. Who are you looking for? Marty, Milo, and Mitch, eh? Sounds like a party. Miranda has set you a challenge, a scavenger hunt. You need to find a fishing rod, a soccer ball, and a telescope. I didn't hear that one. What's with all the secrets today? Are you ready? All right, let's go! Hey, Maverick, why are you doing this scavenger hunt? I don't understand. But why can't you say? Marty, can you tell me why you're collecting these things? Sworn to secrecy too, eh? Oh well. Hey guys, why are you... Oh. Okay, put them in the treasure chest. These are for me? So that was the secret! A Father's Day gift? That's so thoughtful! And my favorite things, too! Well, thanks, guys! I wonder what I'll play with first. Telescope? No, I think I'll go fishing. Or maybe... Hey, Marty.
Hey.
Looks like you're not alone playing up here.
Oh, hey.
Impressed?
Yeah.
You want to show Mia how fast you can go? Uh-oh, seems like the sunlight is blinding Marty. Careful, Marty, there's a bend in the road. Can you see him, Mia?
Oh.
We'd better get Maverick. Hey, Maverick! Maverick!
Iba,
There's been an accident on the cliff. We need your help.
minamaba.
Marty was trying to impress Mia, but he accidentally drove off the cliff.
Amalao, minama.
You're right. We're probably going to need Miranda's help, too.
Minimali babu. Manamana ba? Minamaba.
Oh, dear. Have you two been arguing again?
Oh, you.
Well, it's a good thing it's nothing serious. Maverick really needs Miranda's help. Marty should be somewhere in the forest.
Mamamao.
You can't see him, but he must be here. What was that? It's Marty! You were lucky the trees caught you, Marty. Good point. How do we get him down?
Mama, Minama.
Of course! Mia can push him out of the tree. You two start making a bed of leaves for him to land on.
Oh,
Oh.
Mia, can you go and give Marty a gentle push? Ready? Here he comes! It's okay, Marty. Miranda will make you better.
Anana, Minama, Namano.
You're lucky you've got such good friends, Marty.
Hey.
Oh! See you next time, monster trucks. Hey, kids! The forest is so peaceful, isn't it? Wow, you're driving really fast, Miranda! Oh, you're practicing your zigzag skills. It seems fun. Do you have to... Miranda? Oh, no! I'll call Maverick right now. Maverick, quick! Miranda is about to be swept by the current. Miranda was practicing zigzagging when the wooden bridge broke beneath her. Great idea! We need Milo and Mitch. But where are they? Let's go there then. Where are they? Look up here! Hey guys, what are you... Oh, you're lost, right? Maverick, Milo and Mitch are lost. You'll have to go find them. But don't get lost. Oh, that's your thinking face. And that is your idea face. Oh, great! You want to use one of your gadgets? Kids, you have to help Maverick to get his gadget. Say, grapple. 1, 2, 3. Grapple! Well done. Let's find Milo and Mitch. Which path leads to Milo and Mitch? Is it the blue path? You're right. It is not the blue path. So which one is the correct path? The The red path! Yes! You're right! Come on, Maverick.
Hey, huh? Hey. Oh.
Great job, Maverick.
Hey.
Oh, I see. You attached your grapple to the entrance so you won't get lost. That's brilliant, Maverick.
Hey.
You did it, guys! Now, let's go to Miranda. She was driving into the forest when the wooden bridge collapsed. You're right, Maverick. Kids, Maverick wants to use his booster speed to see how Miranda is. To help him use his booster speed, shout, "Booster speed!" 1, 2, 3. Booster speed! Where's Miranda? Here she is! Miranda! You can do it, Miranda! Come on! Yes! Mitch, Milo, over here! Can you use your hook? Throw it further, guys! Miranda can't grab it! Come on! You can do it, Miranda! Oh no, the current is so strong! One more time! You're almost touching it! Yes! Courage, guys! You did it! Are you okay, Miranda? Oh, apparently you are more than fine then. Thank you guys for saving Miranda. Bye-bye, monster trucks.